Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete the history in Google Chrome. So please don't forget to like and subscribe before we begin, and let's dive in. So the first step, we need to go and open Google Chrome for sure because we're going to delete the history, right? And so once we open it here, up to the right corner, we're going to click on these three dots, and then we go with history, as you can see here, and click on history, or the shortcut Control H. So we click on here. Now we are in history, right? But we need to delete all the history, and we're gonna not click on one by one and then click on delete. We would like to delete all the history at once. So we go here on clear browsing data, click on it, and we can delete the last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, which is the week, and last 4 weeks, a month, and whole time. And we can delete the browsing history, cookies, and other site data, and cached images and files. And then we're gonna click on clear data, but for me, I'd like to delete only the last hour, for example. And then click on clear data, and that's it. That's how you can delete the history in Google Chrome. So let's go back and check here and refresh. So we got the last hour deleted. And that's how you can delete history in Google Chrome. So please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.